Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have a quick unboxing of this Corsair power supply. It's the HX1000i, and it has Corsair Link built right into it, and that's what the I is for. And some of the other stuff that you can see, it has Corsair guarantee for 10 years. It's 0 RPM fan mode. Obviously, when it's not using much power, then it will just turn off the fan, which is good, saves some energy. It's 80 plus platinum, not premium, and it's ultra low noise as well. So pretty standard packaging by Corsair, you know, have that standard wrap. These are some of the connectors that you get, but we'll actually have a look at it inside. So this is the efficiency and fan noise level graphs, so you can pause the video if you want to look at that. But let's quickly get into it and see what it looks like. So standard Corsair sticker. Okay, so you have the high performance ATX power supply. It's the manual. Also get some warranty guide, and important safety information. Standard stuff from Corsair. You get some silica gel, which is yellow. Interesting. You have some cable ties. Standard. You have the Corsair power supply metal badge in here as well, and you get the screws for the power supply in this packet. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you get 10 cable ties in here. You have the power cord, standard IEC, the bag with all the goodies, which we'll come back to later, and of course the power supply itself. So pretty standard, nothing unusual or different. I always wondered, why do they always come in these fabric bags? I mean, what are they trying to do? I mean, it's not like you're gonna put it back into it, you know. Pretty standard, doesn't weigh that much heavier than a normal power supply. So this is the connectors at the back, so you can see Corsair Link Digital. You can see the fan test, so it will operate, you know, people might think that their power supply is not working, so this will spin up the fan. All your peripheral stuff, your CPU, your motherboard here, 24-pin ATX, and just your standard stuff. That's about it. Here's your fan and the HX1000i. Now let's put this aside and look at some of the cables that you get. So, okay, let's lay it all out. All right, CPU connector, as you can see here, type 3, CPU. You have your standard ATX motherboard power supply connector, Molex to floppy drive, which no one uses anymore. I'm assuming this is for Corsair Link. This is another CPU connector. So this is PCIe. So this comes with 16 out, and you get 2 of these. Correction, you get 3 of these. So, oh no, 4 of these. Four 16-pin connections. So if you're running quad SLI, then you're safe. What else? So you have 2 standard SATA power connectors. Each one has 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same with this one. So 4 connectors. Sorry, my mistake. You have another one. So you get 3 of these. 3 Molex. Each one has 4 Molexes on them. They're all the same or identical. 4 Molex. Another Molex to floppy, I think. And oh, this is the last one. This is the Corsair Link. So this goes straight into your USB header on your motherboard, and this connects to the USB port at the back. So just like that, and that goes to your motherboard. So again, what you get: Corsair power supply, 3 Molex, 3 SATA power, your connector, 4 PCIe's, 2 floppies. Not sure what this one is for. You get your standard bag, you get your standard connector, some cable ties, manual with warranty information, all that jazz, and of course the fabric case, which you will never ever use again in your life. So as you can see, quite a bit of stuff that you get with this. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, we can't really see how this performs unless we actually run it in a case, which I'll be doing soon. So look out for that video. But I hope you liked this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular power supply or anything else, and I will try to get around to answering those for you as soon as I can. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.